This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Blooming Light in Genshin Impact. First, understand that Blooming Light is a powerful elemental reaction involving Dendro and Hydro. When these elements combine, they generate Dendro cores. These cores then explode, dealing significant area of effect Dendro damage to nearby enemies. Mastering this reaction is crucial for maximizing your team's damage output in many combat scenarios. To trigger Blooming Light, you first need to generate Dendro cores. This happens when Hydro and Dendro elements react on an enemy. Once cores are present, apply either Electro or Pyro to one of them. This third elemental application causes the core to explode, dealing damage. Remember, the character who applies the Electro or Pyro and triggers the explosion is the one whose elemental mastery and level will be used for damage calculation. To maximize your Blooming Light damage, prioritize elemental mastery on the character who triggers the core explosion. This stat significantly boosts the reaction's damage. Additionally, increasing that character's level directly scales up the base damage of the explosion. Artifact sets such as Gilded Dreams or Flower of Paradise Lost are excellent choices, as they provide substantial elemental mastery bonuses, further enhancing your Blooming Light output. Aim for high elemental mastery values, perhaps over 800, for optimal results. For effective Blooming Light teams, you'll need at least one reliable Hydro and one Dendro character to consistently generate cores. Then, add an Electro or Pyro character who can frequently apply their element to trigger the explosions. Characters like Nahida, Yelan, Raiden Shogun, or Toma are excellent choices. Finally, consider including a healer or shielder to ensure your team's survivability, especially in challenging content, allowing your core damage dealers to operate safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.